Guys, this is a basic video, overview video of our pets golden key. We have a few tools that we have in our pets toolkit, our perfect entry trading system toolkit. The golden key is one of the tools that we have recently updated to where it gives you your entry, your take profit, and your stop loss. Now these parameters was based off of this buy, so it tells you when to buy, and as you can see, it hit take profit 1, 2, and 3. So the parameters are automated. We have the signals automated as well. So if you're a part of the team, you will automatically get these signals when the alert is sent out. So I'm gonna just do a brief video to show you um, the results of this week. So we had a buy that hit take profit 3. You had another buy here that hit take profit 3, continued on. You had another buy here that hit take profit 3, continued on. You had a sell that hit take profit 3. You had a sell here that hit take profit 3, plus much more. This buy here hit a stop loss. I believe that this buy also hit a stop loss. Was it a buy? No, this buy hit take profit, but this buy here hit your stop loss. So there is one loss right there. This buy here hit to take profit 1, close to take profit 2. This buy here hit your take profit 2. That's Liberty in the background. Hit your sell, hit take profit 1, 2, and 3. Sell, hit take profit 1, 2, and 3. You had a buy here. This buy hit your stop loss. As you can see, it tells you when the stop loss is hit. You had the sell here that hit your take profit 1, 2, and 3. You had your buy here that hit your take profit 1, 2. So as you can see, I'm just going back. This one is another loss. So I believe out of all of these trades was 3 losses. But as you can see how valuable this tool can actually be. So when you get started with our team, not only will you get access to the signals, not only will you get access to the platform, but you'll also get access to tools that you can utilize on a daily basis and trade gold utilizing our golden key tool. So if you're not consistent in trading gold, or if you're looking for a team to plug into that is going to help you become consistent in your trading journey, get in contact with me or anybody that's inside of the Winner Circle group so that we can get you plugged in, get you connected. And we average well over 1,000 pips a week, not only utilizing the tool, but utilizing the signals as well. See you guys in the next video.